Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Let's see what are comments in Python. Comments are the lines in the code that are ignored by the compiler during the execution of the program. Comments are nothing but they are some lines in the code. If you want to ignore that lines, we have to comment out those lines. If we comment out those lines will not appear after the execution of the program. That means those lines will not appear on the output screen. Comments are used for easy explanation of the code. To enhance the readability of the code, we use comments. In Python, we have three types of comments. The first one is single line comments, multi-line comments, then docstring comments. Coming to single line comments, we represent single line comments by using a hashtag. If you want to comment out a single line in our program, we have to put a hashtag before the line. After running the code, that line will not appear on the output screen. Multi-line comments. If we want to comment out multiple lines in our program, we use multiple hashtags. So here, using multiple hashtags called multi-line comment. Each and every line will consider as a single line comment in multi-line comments. We can use string literals to comment multi-line comments. Instead of using multiple hashtag, we can use triple double quotes or triple single quotes. Python ignores the string literals that are not assigned to a variable. Using docstring comments, that means string double quotes and single quote are called documentation string or docstring. If the strings were written as first statements that in a module, in a function or in a class. In Python, docstring is then made available via the doc attribute. We use doc attribute to print that line which we have written in the comment. Let's open our LDLE and see what are these comments. So this is our script mode. Let's see about single line comments. Here we have a line. Hello friends, welcome to Pythonwala. So if you want to comment this line, let's see how we can comment this line. If we have a single line, we use single line comments. So in single line comments are represented by a hashtag before the statement. So before h, I am using a hashtag. So it became a single line comment. If we run this, we will see a blank screen. This hello friends, welcome to Pythonwala. This line will not be displayed in our output screen. Let's run and see. Let's save our program as comments.py using file extension .py. Save this file. Let's run our file. Here you can see a blank screen because we have commented this line by using a single hashtag. Let's assume we have the another line. Welcome to Pythonwala. If you want to comment this line, we use another hashtag before W. Then it became multiple line comment. Here you can see multi lines. We have used two comments here, two hashtags here. That's why we call it as multi-line comment. Let's see if we have three lines, then we can use three hashtags. But instead of using multiple hashtags, we can use we can use triple quotes before and after the lines. Let's save and run. Yeah, you can see the blank screen. So we can use triple quotes or triple double quotes or triple single quotes or triple single quotes. Let's run. So this is about multi-line comments.